This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a demerger. A demerger results in the creation of an independent company through a spin-off from an existing company with an initial investment cost apportioned. It is commonly associated with a consolidation. In this example, we will process the GSK Haleon Demerger. It resulted in GSK shareholders receiving 1 Haleon share for each GSK share, followed by a 4-for-5 consolidation of GSK. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 23 for a demerger. The record date was 6 p.m. on Friday the 15th of July 2022. Assuming the date used when entering investment transactions is the execution date and not the settlement date, and allowing for T+2 settlement, set the execution record date to the 13th of July 2022. Set the X date to the 18th of July 2022. Set the new issue ratio to 1 and the old issue ratio to 1, as the GSK consolidation does not happen until the 19th of July. The consolidation will be processed as a separate reorganization. Set the fractional return value to false, as there are no fractional entitlements with a 1-for-1 issue ratio. Add an items object with the Haleon share details using a 1-for-1 issue ratio and a valuation price and currency of 329 pence based on the Haleon opening price on the X date. Set the offer price and currency to null, as the client is not purchasing shares. Set the GSK valuation price and currency to the opening price at 8 a.m. on the 18th of July, which was 2,187 pence. This is required to calculate the apportionment of costs to the Haleon shares. A description has been added with the remaining fields set to their default null value. Use the returned reorganization ID should you need to delete it. Now let's process the consolidation. The settlement record date for the consolidation is the 18th of July 2022. Therefore, set it to the 16th of July 2022 if on T+2 settlement. Set the X date to the 19th of July with a 4-for-5 consolidation ratio and fractional entitlements returned to the client based on the valuation price of 1,730 pence. When setting the valuation price, either use the price at the opening of the market on the X date or use the value received from your clearer or prime broker. In this example, the client started with 101 GSK shares. The client then received 101 Haleon shares with £171.69 of cost apportioned to them. On the 19th, the 101 GSK shares were consolidated to 80 shares with the fractional entitlement treated as small cash.